This week's Intense 5 should be renamed the Intense 10. There is so much going on. Everything cancelled, including Champs. The last time Champs was cancelled was 1944 for World War II. What is this, World War III? Clearly. Tom Hanks and wife Rita Wilson were both diagnosed with COVID-19 while in Australia. They posted a video to update fans and they said they're not feeling too bad. Jasmine Dean is still missing. There is now a $350,000 award for any information. Someone must know something. Nobody just can't know nothing, so that's impossible. Come on, guys. Spice is going to be crowned Queen of the Dancehall at this year's Reggae Sumfest. The King will also be crowned, but it's being speculated that it might not be who everyone thinks. Trouble. And finally holding the spot this week. We all woke up on Friday morning to the news that there are now 8 cases of the coronavirus here in Jamaica. Please be safe and take all precautions, guys. Only get news from the government and please don't panic, alright? That's it for the Intense 5 this week. Keep posted to our IG page at TPJ Intense for the latest info.